Community health centers are a beacon of strength, service, and care in the community. At Northwest Colorado Health, we are proud to provide quality, comprehensive healthcare services to anyone who needs them at our community health centers in Craig and Steamboat Springs. A community health center is not your typical doctor's office. We are healers and innovators who look beyond medical charts to address the many factors that may cause poor health. We provide integrated medical, dental, and behavioral health care in our own clinics, as well as collaborate with local organizations to improve health outcomes for all patients, taking into account factors that affect their daily life outside of our walls. We are deeply committed to our mission to provide high-quality healthcare services to all people, regardless of income or insurance status. And we are proud to serve more than 6,000 patients at our community health centers each year.
I am half Hunkpapa Oglala Lakota and half Puerto Rican, and I grew up next to reservations. So I would go to Indian Health Services, otherwise known as IHS, and it was a disastrous process of showing up there in the morning, to be there all day, to be seen for 5 minutes, and be shoved out the door by people who were just generally irritated. So when I came to make my appointment with Northwest Colorado Health, I was hesitant and I was leery because I was used to a certain kind of care. When I got into the doctor's office, it was very clear to me that everything was going to be very different. The doctors really cared about what was going on with my health. I know when I need to go in for my labs. I know what to eat. I know what not to eat. I know how to take care of myself. I know how to check in with my body, check in with my mental health. I have a better understanding of my health than I have ever had in my life. This organization is really important to this community, and I couldn't see this community having the members that it does if it wasn't for Northwest Colorado Health.
After learning the mission of Northwest Colorado Health, I realized that the values of the organization really aligned with my own personal values. I had spent many years working with a variety of members of my community as a court-appointed attorney, and I saw firsthand the struggles that many people face obtaining services to meet their basic needs, including quality health care. I wanted to broaden my service to our community and help ensure that all people who live in our valley have access to the kind of high-quality health care that Northwest Colorado Health provides. Our board of directors is made up of a majority of consumers. This means that we get to hear firsthand details about the patient experience within our community health center. It allows us to make improvements and changes based on real-time feedback from actual patients. In turn, we can better serve the community and people who need us most because they have a seat at the table when making decisions about the health care we provide.